everyone. My name is Vanessa Salim. I am 11 years old and I am the youngest child in my family. I am from National Tamil School of Kampung Pandan, Kuala Lumpur. In school, I am the member of the School Prefect Society. Besides that, I also have participated in other competitions such as Spelling Bee, Hippo, Kangaroo Maths, Science Fair, STEM, and many more. During my free time, I like to do canvas painting, listening to music, and reading storybooks. I adore books. Half of my house is full of books. Seriously, we could even open a library if we wanted to. Every day after lunch, I simply must sit in my room and read a book. I even have a mini library in my room. And so I do love reading. Moving on, as I have participated in the book review competition in my school, today I'm going to make a book review on one of my favorite storybooks. My book review is about The Secret Seven. The book consists of mysteries and adventures, which is my kind of book and very good to read. It was written by Enid Blyton and published by the Great Britain in year 1949. The book has 16 collections and each book has 12 chapters. 16 exciting adventures revolves around 7 fictional child detectives who solve crimes. There are 3 girls and the other 4 are boys. Most meetings in the series are held in the shed down their garden, and if they want to meet, they must wear a badge that says SS, the password to come, and the club. The story revolves the 7 friends who are Peter, Janet, Jack, Barbara, Pam, Colin, and George. Together, they form a secret club. They are joined by their golden spaniel, Scamper, and always ready for an adventure, big or small. The group come together for holidays, festivities, helping the needy and to solve mysteries and crimes taking place in their village, Peterswood. The 7 investigate mysteries by shadowing, interviewing, and most importantly, looking for clues. The 7 tackle all sorts of mysteries, and from missing dogs to mail robbery, and always come out on top. The Secret 7 are ready to solve any mystery at any time. Of the 16 books, I like the last collection, which is The Secret 7 Society. The book consists of 300 pages. Peter is the leader of the Secret 7 Club. His sister Janet is also a member of the club. One day, Jack forgot his badge in the field where they were all playing with snow. When he went to look for it at night, he saw something strange happening at the old house. Jack tells his friends about the mystery. They have a lot of questions. What are the strange men doing in the big horse? Who does it belong to? Don't worry, because the Secret 7 will solve the mystery. I like this book because it has a twist and it kept me unsure of what was happening next, so I just couldn't put it down. I read it when I get involved into the story. This exciting novel for kids serves as a captivating introduction to the series. The transitions between the series was so smooth, it was hard to put the book down. There are no negatives to be seen in this story, which makes it a great gift for kids aged 6 to 9. My favorite character is Janet because she is a mystery solver, and followed by Scamper the dog because of its bravery and the best companion for the Secret 7 Society. If you like a good detective book, you will like The Secret Seven. The moral of the story teaches us to survive in the harshest conditions. It teaches us to be brave our fears and will never succumb to them. We should trust our fears and with determination, great. One can even overcome their fear. To conclude, one might even wonder why an uncle with a pair of power glasses and a shiny bald head is reading this. Age is only a number, and this book is enjoyable by people of all ages. Thank you for listening to my book review. Bye for now.